Yeah, I do 45. So where they at? I went somewhere too far. Let me see where see that trail. Let me see. I'm back over here.
Okay, there's a mud pit. Go. It's over there.
Oh, okay.
Yep, I see it right there.
Oh,
That's
shit.
the front gate where everybody's standing.
Damn.
You really have that motherfucker hovering the whole time?
Yeah.
That's wild, bro.
I just seen one person go down.
Where are we at? Are we close?
Oh, here we go. Here go another one. Look.
Find it?
Yeah, look.
They going? Look at them. Where's your drone at? Oh, it's 249 meters. Holy shit. That's awesome.
Look. Okay, that's what all them, they going. They hitting a secret passage.
They hitting the dog carts down there, doesn't it?
Yeah, look, we down here. We down here.
Yeah.
We need to go. We need to. Okay, and here, there go the hill. There go where it started.
Alright, so we not too far. Yeah?
Yeah, they going down right now.
Get on to it. Where they at? Don't worry about it. I'll be your muscle. Where you need to go? Let me know. I'll make it happen.